Hello, I am Dr. Rode from Mobilant. In this video, we will be discussing personal spot welding machines for battery pack production. When connecting lithium batteries, nickel sheets are used. There are two types of nickel sheets used: plated and pure nickel sheets. Pure nickel sheets are resistant to humidity, have excellent corrosion resistance, and also have high electrical conductivity. When spot welding pure nickel sheets, there is a characteristic of no sparks flying during welding. Of course, as long as moisture control is done properly, even inexpensive plated nickel sheets can be used without any issues. Unfortunately, due to the high electrical conductivity, a high output spot welder is required, even with the same thickness of nickel sheets. More than twice the spot welding output may be necessary to weld 0.15 trillion pure nickel sheets for high power of production. A spot welder with at least 5,000 watts of output stability is required. I will now describe the features of three types of spot welding machines with a 5,000 watt level. The first is a spot welding machine with a high discharge battery. The advantage of this machine is that it is inexpensive and has excellent welding power compared to its output. It is also portable and easy to make with an RC battery, making it suitable for repairing or hobby projects such as cordless vacuums, drills, and electric cars. The disadvantage is that continuous use is difficult due to heat generation, and the welding power decreases as the voltage drops during use, requiring recharging during use. The second is a spot welding machine with a transformer that uses copper coils. The big advantage of this machine is that it can be used continuously and produces stable quality spot welding. It is also capable of stable pulse spot welding with excellent holding power. The disadvantage is that the surrounding lighting equipment may flicker every time spot welding is performed, and it is expensive and very heavy due to its mostly metallic construction. If you buy a spot welder, you must use a plug adapter that complies with the country's regulations or replace it accordingly. The yellow or green cable, which is a grounding wire, is a worldwide standard, so you don't need to cut it short and connect it. Alternatively, you can cut and connect a faulty power plug cable. For AC electricity, since brown and blue have no polarity, connect one wire to an empty terminal. Third, the SuperCapacitor spot welder, which recently emerged, does not affect electronic devices such as ambient lighting or electromagnetic waves. This is because it uses DC adapter, such as 12 volts, to store and discharge electric energy into the capacitor. Because the current is almost constant, it has uniform quality and can be used continuously because it has a built-in cooling fan. Compared to the transformer type, it is very lightweight, making it convenient to carry. To achieve the same quality of spot welding results, the 5,000 watt SuperCapacitor spot welder requires a higher specification product than other spot welders. The 5,000 watt SuperCapacitor spot welder showed 3,000 watt transformer spot welding results. Currently, it is the most popular product as a high-power spot welder. We have briefly discussed the characteristics of three personal spot welders. Now, let's look at other factors that affect spot welding. The longer the welding cable, the weaker the welding force. If you need strong spot welding, you should not make the wire too long. There are stick-shaped and automatic spot welding handles for spot welders. Although the use of automatic spot welding handles is convenient, its spot welding ability is lower due to many connecting parts. If you need to weld a thick pure nickel sheet, such as 0.2 trillion, we recommend a stick-shaped spot welding handle. However, be careful because the stick-shaped handle is prone to slip. We have briefly discussed the characteristics that make up a spot welder required for making batteries. Subscribing and clicking the like button will greatly help us in making these videos. This was Dr. Rode from Mobilant. Thank you for watching.